guys, it's my second YouTube video. And for my second YouTube video, I'm going to be showing you this special individual Laguna Seca Blue 3 Series. So we got the grill down here, we got the grill around here.
Performance package.
We got the performance package here, around here. And then we got the 20-inch wheels here. Then we've got the M4 sticker like the last M4 I done about. So if you want to zoom in, M Performance. Then if you want to come around here, you can see so we've got four exhausts here. And we've got a rear spoiler here. And so if you want to just come here. If you can see here, let me just open this up and stand here. If you come here, if you're high enough, you'll be able to see this sunroof. It's not like a convertible, it's just like a sunroof. Basically, they can just catch the sun, so you get air as well. So we got the head. So I'm just gonna go inside, and we got the head-up display in here. And we've got the steering wheel that feels really good. We've got these cream interior colour. And you can see the sunroof here, see through. We've got the carbon and high sound. And then we've got the sat nav. We've got the reverse camera on here. Then we've got this. We've got this thing. We've got this round here. You can see it there if you want to look. We've got like this special thing for when you put that. If you shut it. So, yeah, you can feel that. It feels real smooth. It feels real smooth when you feel it. So thank you very much for watching.